Good afternoon, YouTube friends. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Homesteading with the Bennetts. My name is Jim. This is my homestead. You may have seen other videos. I had this built and delivered. Built an addition on the back. Actually, this is the front. I call this the front because it looks out to the lake. I'm going to give you a tour, show you what I've done in here. This is an addition I put on. This is basically my living room for now. It's 10 by 16. It's all insulated, and I did all tongue and groove pine on the ceiling. I kind of like that. This is the original building. When I bought this, all it was just studs. I've made a bedroom down at this end. I've got a closet and a closet out in the hall. And this is the kitchen. This is, like I say, this is 14 by 36. And here we have the bedroom, or the bathroom, composting toilet, full-size shower, 4-foot vanity. This is the electrical room and the water tote room. Hot water heater on demand. I'm going from a 12-volt system to a 48-volt system on my solar. This is their wood stove. Oh, and why have I got a brick on top of my wood stove? I'll tell you. Can anybody guess? Some of you probably already know. You've been around long enough, you probably know what the brick's for. Once I make my coffee and I pour myself a cup, then I leave the coffee pot sitting right there in the wood stove. Keeps it nice and warm for me. Sometimes it's a little too warm. The top is a little bit crooked. It's all wired. I got it all wired, drywalled. Up here, the same thing. Got all tongue groove ceiling. These beams, basically what I had when I bought this was there was a 2x6 going across. What I did is I put another 2x6 against the first one, and I put some 2x4 spaces in between them. And then I grabbed some pine boards and I ripped them and sanded them, and I got my little propane torch out and I burned them. And after I burned them, I varnished them. Gives it a nice effect. Up there I've got a loft. I've got hydro going up there as well. I got a loft on the other side as well. I got a little mattress up there and a little in table up there, and there's hydro, there's an electrical outlet. Great spot for the grandkids to hang. These hooks that you see, there's a hook there. Then on the other side there's a hook. And that's basically for my ladder. So yeah, that's the inside. This is sort of the kitchen area, I guess. Shelves. Now you're saying to yourself, what in the world you got going out there right out this window? Can't even get a good view out there. That's because that's another one I just had delivered this week. That's 30 by 14. And what the plan is this window's coming out. I'm going to connect the two of them together. I've got 10 feet between them, which will give me somewhere to put my water tote, somewhere to put a wash machine, some storage. And that's going to become part of this house here. Let's go outside and take a closer look at it. Come on. Yeah, and you need to, if you like my videos, oh, I gotta find my shoes. Okay, if you like my videos, then there's my firewood. I keep it out here. It's a little bit cool. If you like my videos, then hit that like button, but especially hit that subscribe button. That's what I'm looking for, subscribers. If you subscribe to my videos, then I will keep you updated as I continue with my renovations. So this is the space that's between the two buildings. Take a look there. That's 10 foot 2 inches, and that's going to be like I say, my water tote will go in there, and then I'll have that much more water for inside over the winter. And right here, we're going to put some patio doors, which is going to look out to the lake. Now you say, why haven't I got patio doors in yet? That's because I wasn't sure exactly where it was going to sit, and I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to frame it on the inside. So this basically has no windows in it at all, or doors. Once I get a plan together, I'll get my wife up here to help me, and we'll decide where we're putting everything. And this will be it. What the plan is right now, see there's my patio doors, going to be right there. We may have a window there, and that window may be a little bit big. I may have to put a smaller window there. But what the plan is that in the original building, the back room, which was the living room, is going to be a games room, a puzzle room, and just somewhere to hang out and look out over the water. And the kitchen area is going to become our living room. And then we're going to join these two buildings together. And these double barn doors are going to be sealed shut. And it's going to be framed. And I'll put some windows in here. And basically, at this end will be my second bedroom. And this end here is all going to be kitchen. So that way, my wife's got some extra space. The other building over there is a barn style building, which means you got 6'3" walls. And then you got the bend. Well, this is a utility shed style, so I've got my 8-foot walls. I ordered this thing, I built it online. I changed all the spacing of the 2x4s. I changed them to 16-inch centers from 24-inch centers. And I changed it all from 2x4s to 2x6 construction. And I had a heavier floor put in. This entire floor, plus the other building originally over there, I've had them all spray foamed. So this is all spray foam, so it's gonna be nice and warm under here. Not a lot of spray foam, 2 inches. 2 inches of closed cell spray foam. So I haven't really decided. I may put some spray foam in the cavity along the walls and then just bats on the rest of it. I'm not sure. I may spray foam it all, but probably not. It's cheaper just to use bats. Now, having said that, I could have used bats underneath it. But the problem with that is I've heard too many stories. If you put bats underneath your building, sure enough, the rodents will try to get in. Mice and all kinds of stuff. I mean, people have done it, and you can tape it, and you can do all kinds of stuff, but a lot of times they'll still try to find a way in. Well, they're not going to be able to get through spray foam insulation. So, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And like I say, I'll keep you informed as I work on my progress on this thing. It's got to be drywalled, it's got to be wired, it's got to be insulated. I'm going to have to eave trough it. I'm going to have to do the ceiling. I'm kind of thinking Depends on what my wife thinks, but I'm kind of I'm kind of thinking about doing the ceiling all tongue and groove pine as well. I'm gonna stick a little bit of extra insulation up there, and yeah. So subscribe to my videos and have a great day. Bye.